Welcome to Overgo World, making your life better through tech, vacations and other great things. Remember to subscribe so that you don't miss out on our latest videos.
Welcome to Marina de Albufeira, Portugal's gem on the Algarve coast. Nestled between vibrant cliffs and the azure Atlantic Ocean, this marina isn't just a docking point for yachts, it's a destination in itself. Known for its stunningly colourful architecture, the marina stands out with its unique charm. From cosy cafes to gourmet restaurants, the marina offers a perfect blend of local flavours and international cuisine. It's the ideal spot to relax, unwind and savour the moment. For all you adventure seekers, the marina is your getaway to unforgettable experiences. And if you're interested in the Algarve Experience boat tour, seeing the Benagil Caves and dolphin watching, then feel free to check out our other video. So whether you're here for the adventure, the food, or simply the view, the marina is a place where memories are made. Come and experience it for yourself.
We hope you enjoyed watching this, so please feel free to hit the like button and remember to subscribe for great upcoming videos. Thank you and see you next time.